Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Renault Captur. So this vehicle has full LED headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.